All right, Shopify fam. Raise your hand if you have spent hours perfecting your store and still got zero sales. Yeah, been there, done that. Bought the t-shirt, which by the way isn't selling either. But don't worry, today we are gonna fix that. So grab your coffee, sit tight, and let's figure out why your Shopify store isn't making the cash rain it deserves. First things first, page speed. You know how annoying it is when your website takes longer to load than a sloth trying to climb a tree. If your page speed is slower than your Wi-Fi on a family Zoom call, say goodbye to those sales. People won't wait around for your site to load faster than their grandma's dial-up internet. So speed things up. Compress those images, ditch the unnecessary apps, and let your store load faster than a TikTok dance challenge. Next up, mobile optimization. I don't know if you have heard, but everyone shops on their phone now. Even my cat orders catnip online. Unless you want your customers squinting at their screens like they are reading an ancient scroll, make sure your site is mobile friendly. Imagine trying to shop on a site where you have to zoom in and out like you have solving a Rubik cube. Spoiler alert, it's one way ticket to Bounceville. Alright, let's talk about design. You want your store looking sleek, not like a digital yard sale. If your store looks like you throw every color and font into a blender, your customers will run faster than the speed of sound. I mean, your store should look like a chill coffee shop, not a carnival. Keep it simple, clean, and organized. A tidy store is a happy store, and happier store is equal to more sales. Let's talk about product descriptions. If your descriptions are like this is a shirt, you wear it, you might as well be selling a cardboard box. People don't just want to know what the product is, they want to feel it. Tell them why this sweater will change their life. Super soft, perfect for cuddling, and looks amazing with those pants you have been too scared to wear. See, now we are talking. Be creative, sell the experience. Let's talk about trust signals. If your site looks sketchier than a pop up ad for too good to be true, free cruises, well, let's just say trust isn't going to be part of your customer's vocabulary. Nobody is paying you with the monopoly money, right? So make sure you have got security badges, reviews, and a return policy that makes people feel safe. Add that secure checkout badge because if you don't, people will wonder if you are running the store from your secret lair under a bridge. And finally, upselling and cross selling. If your store isn't suggesting products to your customer, it's like throwing a party and not inviting anyone to dance. People love a good deal, so show them what else they might need. Oh, you are buying this cool hoodie. How about this matching mug that says Caffeine Queen? That's a vibe. More products is equal to more chatting. So let's recap, speed it up, optimize for mobile, clean up your design, spice up those descriptions, add trust badges, and start upselling like a pro. Fix these simple issues and you will be seeing more sales than your grandma's on Black Friday. Alright, time to get your store looking like $1 million or at least like a real well organized $100. Go fix those issues and watch your sales skyrocket. Catch you in the next one.